I'm a public speaking coach. It's interesting work and I find it highly enjoyable. People come to me for help creating and delivering presentations in a corporate environment that help them to look professional, knowledgeable, confident, and sometimes ready for advancement to the next level. I do this one-on-one or in a group setting. I also work with small business owners to create presentations that are delivered to the public. These presentations bring in leads and help to establish their authority. Other speakers I've worked with create presentations that go directly to YouTube. That's digital public speaking, and in some ways it's more powerful than delivering live on stage. Making YouTube your stage was the topic of a chapter I wrote for this best-selling book on Amazon. Whether your next presentation is going to be delivered in a corporate environment, at a conference, or on YouTube, let me help you to create a presentation that delivers and makes the audience sit back and say, "Now that's a great speaker." And wouldn't you like an audience to say that about you? Let's talk about your next speech.